Hello, I'm Paul Clay. I'm a compliance engineer at Amtri Veritas. I've been here 4 or 5 years and we support customers in creating safety compliant designs of machines. We support them in factory safety issues, do machine examinations for safety and training. When we go out, we're looking to see what hazards there are with the machinery, and some of those will be obvious, things like crushing hazards or falling hazards, and some will be less obvious, like fumes, explosion risks or things like that. So basically just trying to assess and identify all the hazards associated with the machinery. I've had a fairly broad range of experience. I've done many different things over the years. I started off making gearboxes, small gearboxes to big gearboxes, so anything from mills to warships and tanks. And then I moved on from making gearboxes to doing special purpose machinery, and that was in battery factories. So I worked in battery factories all over the world, putting in new production lines, making new products. And then from that I moved on to domestic appliances, so that's electric and gas appliances, and we made millions of those. So I'd see the 1 in a million sort of failures with those. I've been in many different industries and I've seen many different hazards and faults occurring over my lifetime in manufacturing. I work for Amtri Veritas because they have an interesting job. We have a vast range of customers, and the customers we have tend to be those who have large, difficult or interesting items of machinery for which they have problems. And so we get to see some fantastic pieces of equipment that you wouldn't really get the chance to see in many other jobs. Machinery is a lot safer now than it used to be. And we still see hazards now, but they tend to be the more complicated ones, the things that aren't obvious. And a lot of the equipment we look at now is fairly complicated, so robotic cells with interacting equipment and laser scanners to keep people out. So not guarded like they used to be with sort of wire fences, and quite often now people can approach a machine and it'll slow down as you get close to it, and get a bit too close and it'll stop, and then when you move away it can start up again. So completely different type of machinery control than there used to be in the past. Congratulations Amtri Veritas on 25 years. Keep up the good work.